Hi, friends. If you're a project manager or you're about to become a project manager, should be afraid of AI replacing or displacing your jobs? And the answer to this, my friend, is no. Why no? Now, according to the World Economic Forum 2023 report, the jobs in demand includes agriculture equipment operators, drivers of heavy buses and trucks, vocational education teachers, right? That means the skills most in demand for over the next 5 years, according to what WEF or the World Economic Forum 2022 reports, are analytical thinking, empathy, and active listening, leadership, and social influence. Now, my friends, these three skills, if you go or refer to any of the PMBOK guide, these skills are always mentioned, especially analytical thinking, active listening, leadership, and influencing. I mean, these are the skills which any project manager should have because he or she has to drive the project on a human centric approach, right? So don't worry about the buzz that AI tools are going to replace the project management jobs. So the AI will not replace the job that requires social and emotional intelligence, creativity and innovation, physical dexterity and mobility. So those who are already seasoned project managers, those who are working on the projects, they might be knowing that if they use the AI tools for certain phases of the project, like generating status reports or getting some idea or just having getting some creativity, they can utilize this AI tools, right? Like Chat GPT or BARD or any other tools are there. So you don't have to be worried about your jobs. Your jobs are safe. And to all those aspirants who are preparing for PMP, don't think about this bus. Utilize the AI tools. Pre- Go watch the videos on the YouTube. Solve as many questions as you can. Try to understand the intent of the questions when you are solving the PMP mock exams. That is very important. Wishing you all the best, my friend.